See this hasp? That's what I call a hasp. How you screw it here and it goes around the corner, and then you put the other little deal here, and now I can put a padlock right there. I went to the store and I got 2 padlocks with the same key. So in the other closet, the same setup, just like that. And I'll be good. Yeah, this is the part. Whoops. This is the part you've been waiting for. You wanted to see how I was going to put these closet doors back. And I've got to get the top in first, so I've got to get it out far enough. Oh, the back one first. Now I can set it on the wheels exactly where it's supposed to go. And so I had the handle here, and I remembered that was going to go up against the wall like that. See, things don't have to be that hard when you just know how to do it. Okay? And this one gave me fits coming in, and I might have to raise the wheel up or something. I might have to reach down in there. Yeah. Wow. Boy, that's going to be a tight one. I did get it in there from before. Okay. What I'm actually hitting on there, what they should have done was made these just a hair shorter on here. Let's try it down here. There. So I had just a little bit more room over that way. Get that adjusted on the track properly. That's the key, to get these on the right places, and you'll get it figured out with yours. See there? Hey, you can't even see that cabinet. Now see, I'm going to open that, and I've got plenty of room to reach in there, to unlock that, to open this door, get my stuff out of there. I've got a little table end that fits right there, and it sticks out a little bit, but I'll still be able to open the door up about that much, and I can get all into that cabinet and get it right there and lock it up. And I could even put stuff in here. See, I've got another cabinet to do, and I've got only one more day here in Maui to go, and I think I'm going to have enough time to put that in the other closet. But if for some reason I don't, I can get that over here and slide it in here and leave it just right in here. I don't think I want to do that though, because I don't think it's any higher than about here, and if somebody opens this door, it could fall out on someone, you know. So I think I'm going to have enough time. I mean, overall, how long did it take me? Had I not ran the video camera or anything like that, it probably a couple hours, 2.5 hours maybe. And you don't even see it. Now, if you don't have a condo that you're going to rent out, maybe you've got an area in a kid's closet and you just need some extra storage, you don't want your kids to mess with it, buy a cabinet like that. This cabinet I got at Home Depot, my favorite hardware store, box store, and you know, Lowe's has them too. And this puppy right here will set you back a cool $100 bill. But you know, if you need something like that, it's well worth it. It's nicely pre-finished. You open up your closet And that's what you're going to see back in there. Okay? Nice. Okay, that looks really good. Okay, that's my lock-off cabinet. And remember I told you I was going to do another one? You thought I was kidding, huh? Yes, you did. Well, check it out. It's not here anymore. Here's some remnants of the shelving that I took out. And here's the other closet, and I got it way over here in the corner. You see there? I put it in right there. I had a lower shelf here for a double shirt shelf down here. Initially this shelf up high was down a little bit lower. I raised that one up so I can get shirts from here down to here. The slippers can go here, and then the shirts will fit right there. And I even cut this short, and then there's an area right here for long things. Now the guests are not going to have anything longer than that. So see, you just slide this open here like that. I've got the padlock right there. Came with this nice little doorknob, and voila. I even got a carpet cleaner, a different carpet cleaner. It fit right perfectly down there. And I've got my shelves there. See there? I can lock that all off and everything. $100, that's it. Well, then I had to buy this hasp latch like that, and then that goes across like that, and then a padlock. Okay, so for $120 or so, I'm done. And see, I can store things in front of this cabinet, and they can still use this little bit right here. Maybe I can put a vacuum there, or some chairs, whatever. Beach chairs, because guests only need this much room right here. Okay, there's a thought for you for your closet. Even if, like in a kid's room or something, you want to lock some valuables away, try something like this. You'll be glad you did. Yes, this is my last night on Maui, and here I'm messing around with this instead of being down at Front Street or anything. Now I've got to find all my tools, and I got to put my tools inside these cabinets. And see, I've got more tools here. I still have to pack. I got stuff in these bags. And look at this here. Got all this stuff to figure out where to go. I've even got some storage shelves right here. I think I showed you before. See here? Got those locked off. And before I go to bed, I've got to fix this faucet here. It's leaking. It's American Standard. If you have an American Standard faucet, you might want to check out my video where I'm going to show how to fix that. And I got to do that tonight too, and throw everything together. And I even have some guests here in this other room. They're not going to be here for another couple hours, and I've got to find enough stuff to put in this cabinet over here and lock this up before they get back. And man, all my tools, I'm just going to go ahead and leave all my tools here, because next time I come to Maui, hey, guess what? I'll make some more money. Okay, well, that's it from Maui. Next stop, Lincoln, California. Hey, well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.